up, peoples? Today we are going to be doing dead fidget spinner challenges. Here we go. Alright, let's see if this is... Now switch to low light for extra swag. Round is gonna be axe versus fidget spinner. Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Hadouken!
What the heck?
Round 2.
It's fidget spinner versus 5 gum. 3, 2. Oh wait. 3, 2, 1. All right, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Nothing. Final round on fidget spinner versus fidget spinner versus Apple Watch. All right, 3, 2, 1. Ooh! Oh God! Oh, what is that? It's nothing. This is all clickbait. Fidget spinner versus broken TV. 3, 2, 1. That's what you get for not working properly. If you dearly like to, please like and subscribe this video because I'd really love it. By the way, my clothes have changed because this is my editing thing. I'm like, whoa, alternate time dimensions, whoa. That was like, I recorded that video a couple days ago, so hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, turn on those notifications. Really nothing else to another basic intro. Have a great day.